We discussed about number system, operations on integers, fractions, operations, and LCM, HCF, and prime factorization. Now, today we are going to learn laws of exponents. These exponents, laws of exponents, will depends on variables. That means a into x to the power of n is an algebraic expression. Here, what is n, what is x, and what is a? Here, a is coefficient and x is base and n is exponent, or we can call it as power. Now, in this chapter, we are taking a deep explanation of these exponents. That means about powers. So, these exponents of variables will depend on some formulas. Those formulas are called as laws of exponents. First one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of n plus n. If bases are same and they are multiplying, then you can add powers. Second, a to the power of m is divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. If bases are same and they are dividing, then you can subtract that exponents. Third, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, that is a to the power of m into n. So observe here carefully, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. For this exponent, n is another exponent. So in that case, you have to multiply these both powers, that is m into n. Fourth one, a to the power of m into b to the power of n is equals to a into b whole to the power of n. Here, a and b, these both bases are different, but powers are same. So in that case, for this both bases, take product and keep that power only once. That is a into b whole to the power of n. Same case for in division also. A to the power of m by b to the power of m is equals to a by b whole to the power of n. The same power is for numerator and denominators. That's why we are taking a whole power m. Next, a to the power of minus m. This is a negative power for base. So in that case, it will become a 1 by a to the power of m. So vice versa also we can take, and that is a to the power of 1 by a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of m. So one more, that is a by b whole to the power of minus m. A by b is a fraction, and for that fraction it is negative power. In that case, this fraction will become reverse, that is b power n by a power m. Next, eighth one, a power 0. That means for this base, power is 0. In that case, it will become 1. Now we will take some examples on these formulas. First formula, a power m into a power n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So first example is 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 is equals to, that is 2, base are same. So in that case, you can add powers directly. That is 3 plus 2. So it will become 2 to the power of 5. We will check by as usual method. 2 power 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 2, that means 2 into 2. See, 2 into 2 into 2. If 3 2s are there, we are writing 2 power 3. So in that same case now, the product of 2's 5 times. That means 2 power 5. We got C. Next, one more example. x to the power of 5 into x to the power of 3. Bases are same but powers are different. So in that case, we can apply this formula, that is x to the power of 5 plus 3 is equals to x to the power of 8. Now, second formula. A to the power of m is divided by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m minus n. 3 power 7 is divided by 3 to the power of 3 is equals to, bases are same but powers are different. So apply this one, that is 3 to the power of 7 minus 3 is equals to 3 to the power of 4. 1 more. P to the power of 10 is divided by p to the power of 21 is equals to p to the power of 10 minus 21. So you will get p to the power of minus 11. In these cases, we got a negative power. And third formula is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. So take one example. 5 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 4. So is equals to 5 to the power of, apply this formula here. Product of these two powers, that is 3 into 4 is equals to 5 to the power of 3 fours are 12. Once we check this formula by, as usual, multiplication. 5 to the power of 3, you should take 4 times 5 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 3. So apply first formula, 5 to the power of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 times, that is 12. We got same thing. Now take fourth form, that is a power m into b power n is equals to a into b whole to the power of n. Once observe this formula, a power m into b power n, bases are different but power is same. Now take one example, 3 power 5 into 5 power 5. Here bases are different but powers are same. Apply this formula here, is equals to 3 into 5 whole to the power of 5. That is 3 5s are 15 to the power of 5. Take another example. P to the power of 11 into Q to the power of 11 is equals to, bases are different and powers are same. So apply P into Q whole to the power of 11. So this one you can write PQ whole to the power of 11. Next formula is a to the power of m by b to the power of n is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. So let us take one example. 3 to the power of 5 is divided by 3 to the power of 2. sorry. 2 to the power of 5 is equals to, bases are different but powers are same. So you can write this 3 by 2 whole to the power of 5. Vice versa, like this also you can take. That means a by b whole to the power of m is equals to a power m by b power m. For example, x by y whole to the power of 10. Now change into this form, that is x to the power of 10 by y to the power of 10. Next formula is a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m, or 1 by a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of m. Here it is negative power. When it comes to denominator, it will become plus. And if it is in denominator, it is negative. So when it comes to numerator, it will become positive power. So let us take one example on this problem. 5 to the power of minus 2 is equals to, apply this one, 1 by 5 square. This minus 2 is becoming here plus 2. 1 by 5 square is 25. 1 by p to the power of minus 5. Here it is a negative power, but it is in denominator. When it comes to numerator, this power minus 5 will become plus. That is p to the power of 5. Next formula is a by b whole to the power of minus n, which is equals to b power m by a power m. A by b is a fraction, but it is negative power. In previously, the sixth formula is a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So here this negative power, when it comes to denominator, that negative power is becoming positive. In the same case here also, a by b whole to the power of minus n. This a is comes to denominator and b is going to numerator. So the powers are becoming positive. Now take one example on this. 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Fraction with negative power. So we can take this 3 to the power of 4 by 2 to the power of 4. 2 by 3, take 3 by 2 and power gives to both the numerator and denominator. Take another example. P by Q whole to the power of minus x. All are variables and the power is negative. Here it is. So take that fraction reverse. Q by P, write that power for both numerator and denominator. Q power x by P power x. Next, last but not least, a power 0 is equals to 1. So something power 0 is equals to 1. For example, 10 to the power of 3. That means 10 into 10 is equals to 1000. So you can take power 3. That means you can take 3 zeros. 10 square is equals to, you can take 100. 10 to the power of 1, 10. And 10 to the power of minus 1, negative power. That is 1 by 10. You can take 0.1. 10 to the power of minus 2. That is 1 by 10 square. 1 by 100, you can take 0.01. Now observe these numbers once. 10 to the power of 3, 3 zeros. 10 to the power of 2, 2 zeros. 10 to the power of 1, 1 zero. 10 to the power of minus 1, and the 0 is there in denominator, we can write 0.1. 0.01. So here 10 to the power of 3, 2, 1, 3 to 1 minus 1. So in middle 0 also there. That means 10 to the power of 0. If power 3 is there, we are taking 3 zeros. If 2 is there, 2 zeros. 1 is there, 1 zero. Now if nothing is there, means don't take any zeros, that means 1. Therefore, a power 0 is equals to 1. A power 0, in the place of that a, whatever it may be, any of the number, if the power is 0, is equals to 1. Example, 5 to the power of 0. 1, x to the power of 0, 1, and 1 lakh power 0 is equals to 1.